Software developers will always be incels. Listen to me again. Software developers will always be incels. Before you attack me, let me explain why. And also, we want to prevent you guys from getting what you want out of life because of this problem. That being said, if you don't know who I am, my name is Rod, the IT guy. I help take software developers' career and their life to the next level, and I really put things in perspective for you. So I want to help you guys out. That being said, guys, we are software developers. I'm including myself in this because I experienced this earlier on in my life, and I made the change to really put myself in a position so that I can get out of life what I want. Relationships, money, I have fun with my kids and all that good stuff, and I expect you guys to do the same. I know you're in a dark place right now and you feel like, hey, life is getting to me. I don't have access to what I want. I'm not getting out of life and things are not that good. You can change it, guys. I used to feel this exact same way, especially after college. It's like after college, you didn't get the job you want. You don't get the ladies you want. You was promised that you're going to get a software development salary that you want. You're not getting any of that. And plus, the ladies don't want you, which is crazy, guys, because you've done everything you need to do in life, still treating you like you are an outsider. And guys, yes, it's hard, but we can change this. That being said, before I get started, I want to plug a few things for you guys. I have links in the description box where you can get access to my free community so that we can help you with this. And also, I have a 7-step guide that's going to take you through your software development career and help you not only with software development, but anything outside of software development that could affect your career too. And if you already signed up for my 7-step guide in my community, I have premium courses below, guys. So let's support the channel so that we can reach more people and we can help you guys really take your life to the next level and don't be an incel. But guys, I'm gonna tell you this first of all. I used to be an incel, and I'm gonna tell you why. I always leaned on technology. I don't have to communicate with nobody because I provide value and I can be a nerd and all that stuff, which is okay. That's not the issue. The issue is you're not willing to improve the other areas of your life and really put yourself in a position so that you can be more sociable. I went to this work event early on, guys, and it wasn't until later on I really kind of realized and start to really kind of see how to navigate life and in business and technology. Because when I used to go to work functions, I used to be in the corner by myself, didn't talk to nobody. I didn't want to be here. It's a work function. They pay me from 9 to 5, not after, so I'm gonna just not do anything. Which, if that's what you want to do, that's okay. That's have consequences. If you're willing to take those consequences, that's good. I'm not asking you to kiss nobody's butt, but I'm asking you just to play ball, just to be nice, and just kind of go with the flow, and not necessarily go out of your way to kind of make people happy. Just do the standard things and everything's be good. So I'm at the company function, guys, and I used to be awkward sitting in the corner, and people in other departments and even the ladies, they think IT guys are just weird because we don't talk, we're looking down, and then when we talk, it's all about something that they don't know anything about. So they automatically put us over here in this box, which we love to talk about technology, software, and all that stuff. But guys, there's a time and a place and a context for it. You're not talking to other software developers. That come across as being creepy because not only they don't know who you are and how you dress and all this stuff, it's become a problem. The way I treat this as is, first of all, it's situational. There's a time where us with the guys, with the nerds, we're gonna do our nerdy stuff. But there's a time where you have to be professional and speak to your audience or whoever's in that vicinity in that situation, guys. So you're not going to treat your wife like you treat your kids. You're not going to treat your kids like you treat your brother. You're not going to treat your brother like you treat your mother. So why would you treat your coworkers like technology professionals? No, don't do that, guys. This is why you come across as being awkward, because we got to get our social skills. This is what ladies do so much naturally than us. They just naturally more sociable. I'm not asking asking you to be the best social person in the world. I'm just telling you not to be bad at it. And it's easy not to be bad at it. You just gotta just do some basics. That 20% that's gonna give you 80% of the results. That's all I'm asking. If you do that in the areas that you need to improve in your life, oh man, you get how I am now, to where things are just happening for you guys. And I'm just gonna tell you my personal experience. Now I go to company events. I'm kind of in the in crowd now. Even though as an IT guy, people feel comfortable talking to me. The ladies feel comfortable talking to me. I can wholly engage in conversation. Am I the best social person in the world? No. Will I ever be the best social person in the world? No. Will I be the best dresser in the world? No. But I'm not awkward, I'm not bad, and people feel comfortable around me, and that's the key. You want to make people feel comfortable around you. You don't want to be weird, come across as being creepy, and this helps in all areas of your career, guys. In an interview, same thing. When you're trying to buy something or convince somebody on a project, same thing. When you're in front of the ladies on a date, the exact same thing, guys. So this applies throughout your life. So if you get this is the foundation of you not staying an incel and really putting yourself in a position to be successful. And this is the kind of stuff that I've been working on for years. It took me probably 5 or 6 years to really understand it, and probably another 3 to implement it to the point that I am now, that I get what I want. I'm happy. All areas of my life is good. I'm good interview, at the job, with the ladies. If I'm trying to convince people or something, this actually helps across the board. And the good thing about it is, guys, it's not hard to do to implement. You just got to identify your weakness and plug in the gaps so that you can be a well-balanced person, and you check off a lot of boxes for a lot of people. You don't come across as being creepy, guys. We are software developers. The benefit about us being software developers, we did the hard part. Most people don't have a skill that's going to allow them to make the type of money we make. So from a financial money perspective, if you manage it right, we're golden. That's the hardest part. Most people can't get that. So you got that checked off. Now you got to take that and start plugging in the other gaps that we're missing. And then you're going to come across being that ideal person, that person that people want to be around, the people that like, and they just see you as a really good guy or girl if you're a software developer. So we got to get that, guys. We have to be that. I'll probably do some premium stuff later on where it's not going to be as PC as I'm making it on camera, because this is YouTube edition, guys. I can't go into the nitty-gritty details of it. So sign up for the community so that we can, whenever I do decide to do the premium content, I'll let you guys know. But till now, we're going to keep it PG. And there's some benefits about being a software developer if you actually do this, guys. And I want to help us really kind of plug in those other gaps and improve our life so that we not only we have success in our career, we have success in our life, we have success with our relationships and across the board, guys. And there's just a few easy things that we can do to really take things up a notch. And a lot of guys think that, hey, I gotta be great at social skills, I gotta be great at charisma, I have to be great at this. And that's just not the case, guys. It just takes a little bit of work to get that 20% of the result, or do that 20% of the work that's going to give you 80% of the results, and that'll put you either average or above average. That's what we're going for, guys. We're not going for great, but we don't want to be bad. That's what we're going for, and that's gonna really take things up a notch for you guys. So I made some notes here for I make sure I don't miss anything. So number one, you have no social skills and presence. We got to work on that, guys. We can't be awkward. We can't be creepy. All that stuff. We got to work on that, number one. Number two, I'm not asking you for the world. I'm just asking you to be average, guys. Not great, because we're good at software developer. Don't get me wrong. If you can be great, be great. But I'm not asking for great right now. I'm just asking for average. But I don't want bad. You have to work. You have to just completely not do anything to be bad. I just need average, guys. So number two. And number three, let's just fix our weak points. You have to identify this, guys. You have to look yourself in the mirror and say, hey, I need to improve in this area, this area, and this area. And I guarantee you, most of us software developers, we look at it from a career perspective. I made the right choice for my career as far as just skills, projects, and all that. But I need to work on my social skills, and I need to work on my presence. Those are the two that we really need to work on as software developers. And guys, it's not gonna take a lot. You know, I don't wanna go into this whole big personal development thing because it's not that hard. We want to keep it really easy and straightforward. That being said, guys, your social skills is really going to help take your software development career and your life to the next level. So let's go ahead and do that. If you haven't already, go ahead and sign up for our 7-step guide. Get access to our free community by signing up for that guide. And also, if you have already signed up for that guide, check out our premium courses, guys. Our premium courses, you're gonna help support the channel, and it's gonna really take things up a notch for you guys in a really focused way. So if you agree with me, comment below. Tell me how things been working for you. If you disagree with me, comment below and tell me why you're disagreeing with me. Like, subscribe to the content. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.